These are the reasons why most people will fail when doing Amazon wholesale. What's up guys, Marvin here. Welcome back to another video. So why are most people gonna fail when they start getting into Amazon wholesale? Amazon wholesale, or wholesale on Amazon, whatever you wanna call it, is a very attractive business model to a lot of people, right? You know, you create your own brand and do your own things, or you can sell brands that everybody knows, Beats, Sony, Microsoft, everything like that, right? So it's a very attractive business model for a lot of people. But why are most people gonna fail? So that's what we're gonna get into in this video. If this is you, really take a hard look and try to understand that you don't need to be one of those people that fail at this business model. All right, so let's get into it. The number one biggest reason I think people fail with wholesale is they have a lack of patience. With the way things are on YouTube and on the internet right now, it is very easy to get distracted by Shopify, Amazon, affiliate marketing, all these different business models, and a lot of people do promote that it's a fast way to make money, or you can make money today, you can make money tomorrow, whatever. But with wholesale, it does take time. It takes time to grow your business. It takes time to find suppliers. It takes time to build relationships with your suppliers that will take you to another level. Every aspect of this business that you're gonna encounter takes some patience in the beginning, right? After you get to a certain point, it's a lot easier and it's a lot faster, but in the beginning, when you're starting out, no experience or anything like that, it does take time, and you will need that patience to get you past it. If you don't have any patience and you think you're gonna sign in to your Seller Central account and tomorrow you're gonna start making money, that's literally impossible for you to do. But maybe in a month, maybe 2 months, depending on how much time you put in, depending on who you're learning from, depending on what you're learning. You also don't wanna fall in the trap of learning something completely wrong, right? Because then you're just spinning your wheels. So depending on all that, it's very realistic to start making money in a month, in 2 months, but next week or tomorrow, this is probably not gonna happen. All right, so that's number one, patience, lack of patience. This business requires patience. I believe any business requires patience. It takes time to really grow and progress in your business, regardless of what business it is. All right, so the second reason I think people fail is they hold on to one or two methods of finding suppliers, and when those don't work, they don't have anywhere to go. If you only hang on to one method of finding a supplier, and when that stops working or that doesn't work very well, then you kind of feel at a loss. So that can be a very frustrating situation. I think you need to have multiple ways of finding suppliers because some work better than others. Try to find more than one or two ways of finding suppliers to have more tools in your tool belt when you do kind of hit a wall with finding suppliers with a certain method or something like that, right? So you don't want to be a one-trick pony when you're doing wholesale. You want to have different tools in your tool belt. It's gonna help you power through any walls that you might hit. So that's reason number two why I think a lot of people fail when they're doing wholesale. They stick to one or two methods, and then when those stop working or those don't work very well, then they're at a loss. So number three is that they don't adapt and overcome. This is probably the biggest of all of them. I know I said patience is a big one, but I think this is the biggest. In any business, regardless of what you do, you need to adapt and overcome, or else you're gonna hit a wall and you're not gonna know what to do. You're gonna hit a wall and you aren't gonna know which direction to go. In regards to wholesale, this can be, you're running into a lot of suppliers that don't really meet your criteria. You're getting approved for suppliers, but they don't have great product, or you're getting rejected. Rejection is a huge thing in wholesale. There are gonna be suppliers that tell you no, or there are gonna be suppliers that say, come back with the website or come back with the store. That does happen. But you need to be able to adapt and overcome regardless of what hurdle you're trying to, jump over. And if that's finding a supplier, if that's dealing with a website, if you find a supplier that you're like, I want to work with this supplier, but they only want a website, a company website, go build a website on Fiverr. Go pay somebody on Fiverr to build your website. You don't need a website. I've said that 1,000 times. There are thousands and thousands of suppliers out there that will sell it to you without a store, without a warehouse, and without a website. Or they haven't found those few golden suppliers that really take their business to another level, or it's taking a little longer to build a relationship with some suppliers. Regardless of what it is, you need to adapt and you need to overcome if you're gonna make it, okay? If you're gonna make it with wholesale, if you're gonna make it with marketing, affiliate marketing, whatever it is, you need to be able to overcome. You need to be able to adapt. All right, so those are a few reasons why most people fail when they start doing Amazon wholesale. If this happens to be you or you've done something on this list, then just really take a step back, take a deep breath when you feel stuck or you feel like you've hit a wall, and try to find a way around it, okay? It's not difficult. This isn't a very difficult business. This is a simple business. It just takes time. It just takes effort. All right, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Thank you all for watching until the end. I really appreciate it. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see all of you in that next video.